Hi everyone, and welcome back to Sew Blessed by Jess. And today we're going to take the Civil War sampler book and we are going to do block 14, which is the Rosebud. The Rosebud has two variations inside the book, and they represent a lady named Rose Greenhow from 1860. And Rose Greenhow was a spy for the Confederate Army. So she spied on the Union Army during the first few months of the war. So she learned about sources and where the armies were going to be. And then, yeah, she went in and told the people where they had to be and what they had to do. So, and then she was eventually imprisoned in the first year. Interesting. And she didn't get out until 1863. She spent almost 3 years in prison. Can you believe it? What a tough lady. Absolutely. So the fabrics that we are going to use, and I've already cut them up, and when I flip you around and show you how this block goes together, you'll be able to see the fabrics a little bit better. But we have large triangles that look like this with this fabric. And then we have some medium triangles with this taupe fabric. And then we have these two smaller triangles that we're going to make half square triangles with, like this, with some, I know this is Primitive Gatherings. And then I don't know what this is, but I'm really enjoying the reproductive fabrics that are coming along with this kit. I know that I have a lot of wonderful messages saying, oh, I love those fabrics. Where did you get them from? And unfortunately, I didn't curate them. It was something from Stitch in Heaven that they curated, and they just got as close to the reproduction fabrics as they could. So without further ado, let's go ahead and flip you around, show you how this block goes together, and start sewing it. So to put this block together, we're going to make 4 quadrants that look like this. So we have our big triangle. Our medium triangle is going to go right here. And then our half square triangles are going to look like this. Okay. So we're going to make 4 quadrants that look like this, and then we're going to spin this around to look like a pinwheel. So how I'm going to conquer and put this block together is I'm going to go ahead and do the half square triangles and sew them, and then sew this triangle to the half square triangles once I have all of that. So they are HSTs. Then I'm going to add this triangle to the bottom and flip that on. So I'm going to line it up with this edge right here. Then this will create hopefully a triangle that is the same size as the largest triangle that we have. And then flip them together. Once I make 4 of these, I'll come back. I'll show you how to put them in a pinwheel and finish up the video. Well, I accidentally forgot to stop sewing when I got to the 4 quadrants, but here it is. So when I showed you put it together, it was just this one piece right here. And then you made 4 of these, spun them around like a pinwheel. So yeah, here's the Rosebud. She finishes at 8.5 inches square, so that when we put it in our quilt, it'll be 8 inches. Yeah, so thank you, Rose Greenhow, for spying for the Confederate on the Union so that we could have a block and learn a little bit about you. So until next time, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and comment below. Yeah, it's so much fun doing these Civil War quilt. I hope that in the next few weeks that I'll start even the sashing, and then we can put it up on the design wall and I can show you like how it's starting to come out and what it's going to look like. Yeah, we'll go from there. Well, until next time, I will see you when we're doing our next block, and I'm actually not doing them in order. So I kind of just put all the bags in one big basket and I'm just pulling out a number. So no longer am I going to be going in order, but whatever number comes out is going to be next. So have a wonderful evening, day, morning, wherever it is, and I will see you on the next video. Bye.